Hi, Ray Hayden here, and this video is going to be part of the Creators Helping Creators series, but really, not for anybody who's been using editing and you got your process all set and everything else. If you want to just skip this video, by all means, please do. But what I'm going to do here is I'm actually about to start rendering this video, and in fact, let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to make the movie. I'm going to save it to my hard drive. I'm going to hit my advanced options, and this is a YouTube series of things that I specifically set up. These are right down here. These are my settings that I tweaked for me for my YouTube videos, all right? And then it's got my name, test video for video editing, or for editing, and I'm gonna go ahead and render that video, and then it's gonna start rendering here. Now you'll see up here, these images are moving and they're kind of not very high definition or anything like that, but that's because the timeline is there and it flipped over. Okay, that went between these two scenes and is gonna have a black spot. There's gonna be another black screen here in a minute, a few seconds, there we go. I put these black screens in there to help me find the different clips. See, I spaced them all out here. There's no editing, there's no special effects, there's nothing at all done with this. It's just raw audio and raw video, because I'm gonna upload this video after it gets done making in about 7 minutes or so. I'm gonna send this up to YouTube as a private video so that I can look at it and do my editing for it. Now the video, me talking right now, this video is gonna be uploaded as also another video talking about this video being made, all right? So what we have down here is all these video clips. I went out and shot video at the local seaplane base in the area. There's a plane flying by right there in the upper right. There's a plane flyby. And so I went and shot all these different video clips. Then I bring that back, and the magic of editing is telling a story. So then I tried my best, because I'm not this kind of an editor. I don't tell stories and stuff like that. And I put all of these video clips down here in a timeline, and I spaced them out. And now what I'm doing, I'm making this video, I'm gonna upload it to YouTube, and I'm also gonna try to edit it in 2 other mobile phone or mobile applications for cell phones, all right? Let me see if I can tell which ones they are. I'm gonna look at them for a second here. I'm gonna use Power Director and KineMaster, all right? So those are the 2 mobile applications that I wanna use to try. I talked about this a while ago, but I wanna make, test both of these editing programs. They're free. They're going to put a watermark on your video. If we look up here at the screen with the plane flying by here, it's going to put a watermark down here in the lower right-hand corner of your screen in your video, because it's a free version of the software. If you pay for it, they'll take out the watermark. But if you don't pay for it, and I'm not going to pay for it, it's going to put the, and I don't think there's a problem with that, by the way. Use the free version, get the watermark. You're helping them. Help me to help you, right? They're going to put that watermark in the lower right-hand corner. They're going to get, you can tell people about the company. If you like the way their video editor works, everything's fine and dandy. And if you like using it and it's working very, very well for you, maybe you'll pay for the pay version of it and remove the watermark. That's up to you. I have no problem with the watermark, right? And so with that, the other version of the software editing thing that I want to use is the video editing stuff in YouTube. And I'm going to use this video here specifically first to make a video about editing video in YouTube. And the way to do that is we actually have to upload the video. So make your raw video, right? No special effects or anything like that. Edit your video, and then I'm going to see how the editing software works on YouTube. That's going to be the next video in this particular series, all right? So with that, the really only thing I wanted you to know is I went out and shot video clips. I put them together in a timeline, and hopefully I set this video up to where I can do editing on the video after I upload it to YouTube, all right? So that's going to be it for now. Stay tuned. Check out some of my other videos that I'm going to put in this series. They're going to be the video editing series, and I'll tell you which editor I'm using in the title, all right? So with that, until I catch you in the next video, take care and be well.